Hello guys, how we doing today? Kepner Band. Hope you guys are staying well at home. And today is going to be your first day of online classes. I know it's a lot of fun and also a little bit scary, so don't worry. We'll be making these videos for you to to guide along. And if you need any help, don't be afraid to reach out to myself, Mr. Brad, Mr. Prowlis, whoever you want, so you can get some help with these exercises and assignments that we'll be going through along the time that we're online. Okay, so the first things first, we have the rhythm sheets that are on your course, your band courses that are online. You should go on there and you should see a folder that says online learning, and then you'll see rhythm sheets. All right, so for this upcoming week, we want you guys to learn patterns 3 through 7. And then if you have your instrument, please play. And if you do not, we encourage you guys to clap and count your part as well. Okay, when you open the rhythm sheet, you will see pattern number 3 is the first one. On the top, you'll see examples of how you should be counting this. For example, it says here 1 and the 2 and 1 E and the 2. So those are the syllables that we use. That is the rhythm style that we use for counting. All right, so write the counts below and the notes and the rest. We are not asking you guys to do that. You do not have to write in any counts or anything like that unless it does help you. If it does help you, you're more than welcome to do so. We're not asking you guys to print it out or anything like that. We just want to hear you play it. All right, clap the rhythms while counting out loud. Recommended from us. Practice the exercises in smart music. We are not using that, so do not worry about that. Okay, we just want you guys to submit a video of you either playing with a metronome or counting clapping with a metronome. For pattern 3, you'll see the first one here. It starts off with a couple 60 notes. What I recommend for you, if you're not comfortable just reading these off the bat, you can start off with a slower tempo and then build yourself up to 75. All right, maybe 55, 60, 65, something like that. Okay, for the first one, we want to do something just like this. You'll put a metronome on, all right, and you'll basically go like this. Ready, and 1 T ta ta 2 T ta ta 1 ta 2 ta 1 T ta ta 2 T ta ta 1 ta 2 ta 1, and that's it. There you go. So that's pattern number 1. Now I will play it with the metronome. Okay, so let's jump down to pattern number 4, line 2. Very important detail here. You have a rest on the downbeat of 2. Do not rush the downbeat of 1 on the next measure. Okay, so if we counted just those 2 measures, we'll put the metronome on. Ready, and 1 ta 2 ta, correct? Instead of rushing into it. Okay, so pattern 5. Same thing. Look at line number 3. Measure 2 going into 3. Do not rush that downbeat of 1 coming down. Okay, so this right here, pattern 5, is basically talking about 1 T ta 2. Right, 1 T ta. That's kind of the pattern that's going around. So we'll skip that one. That one's fairly simple. Look at pattern 6. Jump down to line 3. I will play that for you as an example. All right, and then of course pattern 7. This one here is kind of a combination of all the patterns that we just went through, 3 through 6, and then pattern 7 is a combination of all of those. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to ask us anything. Shoot us an email. We'll have our conference time set up on Schoology, so you can reach us at that time if needed. But the best thing, just kind of send us a remind question or an email. That's not bad at all. Okay, so that'll be it for the rhythm exercises. Remember, play it with a metronome, 75 beats per measure, or if you do not have your instrument, just clap and count with the metronome. All right, you guys, if you have any questions, like I said, just don't be afraid to contact us. The most important thing is for you guys to have a great time doing this. You're kind of getting back in the flow of things. We do not want you guys to stress out about anything at all. So don't stress out. Just have a good time, all right? Guys, just remember, use your hand sanitizer, clean your hands, wash your hands 20 seconds, sing the happy birthday song 2 times, whatever you got to do to stay clean. We'll see you on the next one.